Aloha, Keiki and Ohana. This is Professor Castaño. And in today's video, we're gonna practice a few different movements using an object. And also, I wanna throw in a video challenge for you guys. All right, the intention of this video is for our Keiki students, but parents and siblings are also welcome to jump into this as well. So fun for the whole family, all right? And a note for our parents before we start. Okay, before doing these movements, you want to make sure that you can create some space within your house, whether you have to like move furniture to the side or tables and chairs away. Just making sure there's no sharp objects or anything that you can bump into and then hurt yourself, right? Even better yet, though, if you have like a yard area or grass, then that's even the more better, all right? So let's go ahead and give it a try. Vamos jogar. So before we begin our exercises, let's go ahead and pick an object that we want to use for this exercise. So I put out 3 different objects that you could possibly use, but you could be creative and maybe find something else that you have around your house that you could use. So one thing I have here is the cardboard box. Next I have here is like a 5-gallon bucket that's turned upside down. And then also something I use in class a lot, which are the yoga blocks. You can have one, or you can even take a second one and stack it like that. So those are pretty nice and soft. So you could use also like a plastic bottle if it's large, or a book turned right side up or something like that. So just be creative and find an object. So now I have my object, the bucket here. So now let's begin some movements. First movement is going to be the Ginga. Here, step back, arms up, Ginga, 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 okay? And you're going to do that 10 times. Next movement is Meia Lua De Frente, kick. So here, lift the leg up, over, and put the foot right back. Now we're going to do the other leg, up and over, and put the foot back here. Kick up and over, foot back, kick up and over, put the foot back. Okay, now you're gonna do that 10 times. Okay, our next movement now is the Cocorinha with the drum beats. So what we're gonna do here, Cocorinha squat here, and then we're gonna play some beats here on our object, and then pop back up. Okay, let's try that again. Cocorinha, get your object, stand back up. One more time, Cocorinha. Stand back up. Okay, do that 10 times. Okay, our last movement is the Passado, which is kind of like a cartwheel. So what we're gonna do here is put our legs wide, arms up, and we're gonna reach down to the floor here, and then we're just gonna take our feet and we're gonna step around the object and come here. Now we're gonna go back the other way, arms out, bring them to the floor. Take your feet and step around, and you're right here. Okay, let's try that one more time. Legs out, arms wide, reach over, make contact with the floor, and step around. 1, 2, step right there. Okay, let's try that 10 times. Okay, now that you finished those movements, now we're gonna do the challenge. Okay, what the challenge is you're gonna take 30 seconds to take all of those 4 movements that we've done and put them together kind of in an improvised sequence over and around your object. Okay, so the 4 movements you're gonna use are the Ginga, the Meia Lua De Frente kick, the Cocorinha squat with the drum beats on the object, and the Passado, where you take your hands, put them to the ground, and do the step around the object. Okay? And also what I like you to do as part of the challenge is to send me a video clip of you doing the movements for 30 seconds. Okay, here's an example of what the challenge will look like. Okay, for this example, I'm gonna do it just for 10 seconds. You can use either a timer or you can just count out loud if you want to. I'm just gonna count out loud. So ready, set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now it's your turn to do the challenge. Remember, for 30 seconds. And don't forget to send me a video clip so I can give you some feedback, all right? All right, should be fun, you guys. Vamos jogar.